Trend's quick release guides provide accurate, self-centered pilot hole drilling for hinges and lock faceplates. The Trend quick release 3-piece drill bit guide set. Spring loaded to ensure the drill bit retracts safely, and are suitable for impact drivers and quick chuck drill tools. Sizes include 2.4mm, 2.8mm and 3.6mm. Accurate, self-centering drill bits made of high-speed steel for longer life. Easy to dismantle for cleaning and drill bit replacement. For use on timbers and boards. For precise pilot holes every time. The Trend quick release 3-piece drill bit guide set for accurate, self-centered pilot hole drilling.